Hello friends, I hope you are doing well and I just want to give an update. So new DataStage training batch will start on September 9th at 8 a.m. IST. Okay, so please enroll for the demo session. So those who are looking for DataStage training and so you can reach out to me for the given number, which is a WhatsApp number. You can text us if you are looking for DataStage training. And the course duration is 35 hours. So 1 month, it's a 1 month program. So 35 hours, like 5 weeks. Okay. So we'll cover everything in 5 weeks, 35 hours. Okay. So class duration will be 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So 1 hour will be the class and 30 minutes will be a discussion session like what we have discussed today, so that everyone will able to understand, like it will be a brainstorming interaction session, it will be 30 minutes. Okay. And what are the topics that will be covered in the training program? So SQL for beginners. So those who are from non-native backgrounds, so especially like civil, mechanical, electrical, so and any other engineering branch apart from computer science. So for those students, we will cover SQL for beginners class, SQL for beginners. And then we'll be covering the data warehousing concepts, why we are building data warehousing applications. So what are the tools that are available to build the data warehousing applications? And what is ETL? ETL concepts, okay? And Unix. So we'll be covering the Unix which are related to dealt with ETL concepts. And data storage training will be provided from basic to advanced level. And unit testing concepts, how to do the unit testing concept. So what is unit testing? So basically when we move the data from source to target, how to build a unit test case, how to do the testing activity. Okay, so how to capture the necessary evidences, whether the data is moved from one place to another place. And the tools that are used in Railgun. So GitHub, Jira and HPQC. Okay. And there are other tools like WinSCP. Okay. So these tools and all will give an overview how we can operate those tools, how we can work with, what is the purpose of each tool, Confluence pages, and etc. Okay. And I will be helpful. I will be helping you to prepare your resume. Okay, so I will be helpful. I'll be prepare your resume. So keeping 2 or 3 projects. So based on your experience that you want to keep. And project explanation. So what are the projects that you are keeping in your resume? So I'll be explaining the projects, these projects which are real-time based, and that will solve the problem. So how we can explain the project in interview in a better way. And I will be conducting mock interviews so that you no need to go for proxy. So when you prepare well for this 1 month, okay, so you can crack the interview. First 2 to 3 interviews, but you need to pay attention during this 1 month period. So whatever the classes which I am teaching, and if I give an instruction for during the course period, you have to follow that so that you can easily crack the interview. Okay, so I'll be conducting 2 to 3 mock interviews so that you need to have a fear while you're facing the real interview. Okay. And we'll provide you software, friends, for this. So the software will be left and this. So these are the system requirements. Okay, so system requirements. Windows 10 or above OS is required, and RFID processor about 8 GB RAM, and 120 GB free space is required. Any drive apart from C drive. So C drive you cannot store 120 GB space because the OS is running in C drive, right? So any other drive apart from C, like D or E or F, whatever it may be. So 120 GB space is required. And preferred is, friend, you can go for SSD drive. Okay, so the booting speed is very good for SSD. And I have AI3 processor. Okay, so but I don't have Wi-Fi. So what to do? My laptop is So if you have i3 processor, that's okay. And the RAM should be 8 GB. And your drive, your hard disk should be not HDD, it should be SSD. i3 processor, 8 GB RAM, SSD drive if you have is well and good. System will function very well. You can practice aramse, okay? So you won't get any issues during the practice, okay? So I will provide all the recording classes, all the live classes, recording sessions will be provided for me. And these are the lifetime access, okay? And coming to the what are the training programs that I will conduct. So some people they don't have time. I mean, like to unable to attend the group interaction sessions. Okay. So for them, I'm providing self-learning videos. These are pre-recorded sessions, which already recorded the live classes itself. So let me share you an example. Okay. So 1 second. Just a minute. DataStage self-learning videos. Okay, so it will be given in access in a form of view. I mean, in a form of Google Drive. Okay, so like that, all the so there will be a sheet that will be provided like this, and you have to click on the link. So these are paid. These videos can be accessed for only paid members, not for everybody. Okay. And group project, like people will not only you and other people also join the group session, and we'll be having interactive live classes. Okay. And one-to-one consultation. So if students, I mean, they can learn by self-learning process, and some people they will learn just by following my YouTube videos which I have uploaded in YouTube, and they will come for just resume preparation and project explanation, one-to-one consultation, and some people will come for job support. So these and all categories comes under one-to-one consultation. Okay, so for more details, the fees and remaining things, can contact the given WhatsApp number. This is my number. You can always reach out to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day.